28, 28, 13, 1-3.
Three bears, right here.
69, 6-9. 38, 3-8.
Three bears.
64, 6-4.
Right here.
68, 6-8.
Right here.
41. Bingo on the back. Bingo on the back on 41.
Oh, I was waiting because all those freaking blue balls. All those blue balls. You call my numbers right out too. Dang, I was early. He called all those
36, 36. 15, 1-5. Attack, 1-0. 30, 3-0. 17, 1-7. 5, for 5. 74, 74. 59, 5-9. 22, 2-2. 47, 4-7. 51. Bingo.
Oh! Damn it. Call all those blue balls and did not call two. Rena. He called all those blue balls. 4, 5, 7, 10, 12, and 15.
Here we go. We got 15, 24, 37, 51, and 74. Serial number 352. 62, 62. 56, 56.
Damn it. Is it another blue vodka or green?
5. Number 5.
Read next to me on both of them. 5 and 12, and I got 6 and 11.
12. 1-2.
All these eyes, I don't have none of them. It's another one. It's another
I
one.
didn't hear what you said.
28. Bingo on the back. Bingo on the back.
Look at that. I don't have that one either. He called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eyes, and I don't have any of them. I don't have any of the 5 eyes. It's only 15 eyes, and I don't have the first 5 ones.
New color. New color.
All right, here we go. We got 12, 28, last number call, 41, 56, and 62. Serial number on this is 434. That's a good one.
Fiesta strip.
12, 44, 37, 31,
Look at this. I would have had that.
73,
I would have had that.
Can I get some, please? Sassy, right here. Can I get sassy?
16,
That's mine.
Oh my God.
Again.
58. Bingo on 58.
Again. They called the wrong one. Again.
Okay, yeah.
And who has our hold? Who has our needle?
That was me, Martha. I started off.
Oh, right there, look.
And look, it was for the thousands of them.
Again.
Here we go, we've got 9:55 last, 39 and 67 still on this. The 664 as well, that is another good one. We have noticed. See here, no one that is closed with. I'll mark 11. Now we got a downline, it's not a. I got 11. We're gonna continue on with the downline portion here. Last one called the move on 500. So that's 11 and 11 also on the right there. It's not bad. All right, good luck everyone. 65, 54, 3, 53, 29, 20, 28, 73, 26, 75, 33, 32, 6, 21, 70, 44, 27, 18, 23, 62, 8 downline. There it is, 8 downline. Who's having 8 whole ball? Where's that? 8 downline.
I have children.
How about you sleep? You sleep? Let's go. Here we go. We got an 8 downline. There it is. 66, 66.
Who that bowl? The bowl's in the way.
10, 1, 0.
Can you move the bowl?
9 to number 9. What happened? 7. Number 7. Wow. 34.
Oh, it's not red nowhere to be
34.
found. It's not a red nowhere to be found.
5. Number 5.
Where's the red balls at?
71. Bingo, all 71.
Sean! Where's that red ball?
Who's got the hold for banana split?
It's yours?
Hold is right here.
The 21 is hers.
Maybe I don't want to be like.
The 21 is right there.
All right, here we go. We got 9, 43, 45, and 71. Last number called. Soon we're all busy.
I was waiting for
That's
18.
good for $500. We got the roll hitting up this way. It's going to be good for 1,000 most likely, so it's all good.
Congrats.
25, 25, 23, 23, 37, 37, 44, 44, 41. Bingo on 41. Do
I
it.
could not get on.
Do it.
Could not get on.
We see you.
It's called 1G ball. It's called 1G ball.
All right, while we verify this pull tab, please get out 31, 31, 36, 36, 21.
Right
Two
next
more.
door to everything I have. I got 21, 25, I got 22, 26.
66. 66. 22, 22. 37, 37. 52, 52.
Here comes a blue ball. Somebody in the back.
Who number?
64. Bingo. Bingo in the back on 64.
Look, 3
What
and
did I
5.
tell you? He
You
called
got
52.
25 plus 4. And then the G. The
He called 52.
Really picks me up, Mom. Sorry. Do you want it or can I? Make cake, yeah.
The number 3. $54. 54. 31. 31.
Oh, he got it. He got it. Behind us.
70.
Bingo!
Bingo on 70.
Wow, you did have a chance. That's
Look.
crazy.
Anything.
I had nothing.
Anything. 32, 39, 6, 63, and 68.
I
Anything.
had 3 numbers.
Anything.
I
Anything.
think the Popeye.
48, 338.